Welcome to you, my English grammar class. Well, students, let us have a grammar class of class 9th. The subject is the time and tense. Students, in the previous class we discussed about the introduction of tense, and we discussed the difference between time and tense. And let us now discuss various forms, the uses of different tense forms. Right, students? So first, let us see present simple form. Time and tense. The four aspects of tense, that is simple, which is neither progressive nor perfect. Progressive, perfect, and perfect progressive. मैंने गत क्लास रे मैं आलोचना करथिले जो टेंस और टाइम रो विभिन्न कांसेप्ट विषय टेंस और टाइम किंतु परस्पर अलग मैं जानथिले एवं सिंपल प्रोग्रेसिव परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव जो चारिटा एस्पेक्ट रहउची ता विषय में आज आलोचना करिवा। प्रथम हमें देखिबा प्रेजेंट सिंपल विषय। सुनो स्टूडेंट्स, प्रेजेंट सिंपल use the base form of the verb. You know what is the base form? Could clear base means, suppose मैं उदाहरण नबा go is a verb, goes, going, gone. So all these come are derived from the verb go. So go is the base form. मूल क्रियापदटी हमर किए ना go, बुझ परछ तो तेनु go टाइम पाई तेनु बेस फॉर्म रो व्यवहार साधारणतः प्रेजेंट सिंपल ले करथांती जते बेले थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर कथा आसे तो कोन हुए ना वर्ब रे बेस फॉर्म रे s किबा es रो ऐड हुए, राइट? सो व्हाट आर द यूजेस ऑफ प्रेजेंट सिंपल? First, to express for a present habitual action. So action which you do again and again at present time habitually, that we are in the habit of doing that action at the present time, that is present habitual action. Habitually पिला मन जोडा में रेगुलरली नियमित तो बारंबार प्रेजेंट टाइम रे करि चलथंदी सेटा हमें कोजी एटा अभ्यासगत भाव रे, राइट? तब कोबे हमें प्रेजेंट habitual action. उदाहरण हमें नबा I get off early in the morning. Mother goes to temple every morning. He goes to school at tasks that take place at present time. ओके ले माने बुझ गलो हमें केमती जो प्रेजेंट हैबिचुअल एक्शन कथा जोटा हमें प्रेजेंट टाइम रे बारंबार अभ्यासगत भाव रे नियमित भाव रे कर चलथंदी जोटा हमें प्रेजेंट सिंपल फॉर्म व्यवहार करते। ओके, सेकेंड, फॉर लॉज ऑफ नेचर, नेचर प्रकृतिर नियम जोड़ा जोड़ा कि आम कई अलग कर जोड़ा नित्य नियमित धारे चली जोड़ा हूँ प्रकृतिर नियम। आफ्टर विंटर, शीत पर बसंत आसे, एटा प्रकृतिर नियम। ओके, द सन rises in the east and sets in the west. So cold wind blows from the north in winter. You see students, all is a laws of nature, ये सब प्रकृतिर नियम जोड़ा कि मनुष्य हाथ में न थाए नियमित भाव में चली थाए से आम प्रेजेंट सिंपल फॉर्म व्यवहार करवा। थर्ड पॉइंट, साइंटिफिक ट्रूथ और यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ। साइंटिफिक ट्रूथ is oil floats on water, sound light travels faster than sound। आलोक शब्द ठारू अधिक बेगरे गति करे, तेल पानी रे भासीबो भासे, एटा होची कोन ना साइंटिफिक ट्रूथ। ओके, वाटर फ्रीजेस एट 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस, so all is a based on scientific truth। ओके, पिले माने ए सब कथा रे प्रेजेंट सिंपल फॉर्म व्यवहार हो for a general truth or universal truth। सार्वजनिक सत्य, हनी महू मीठा लगे, एटा होची कोन गोटे सबल सत्य ही सत्य, सार्वजनिक सत्यटा। तेणु live in forests, बाघ माने जंगल बास करती, एटा होची गोटे सत्य कथा सब बळे जनरल ट्रूथ। सो चिल्ड्रेन फॉन्ड ऑफ chocolate, children are fond of, are present simple form of being of। So you see, for a general truth or an universal truth we use present simple form। next, for the present state or fact, and permanent state also, state or fact we use present simple। Suppose I feel hungry, he studies at he studies in a university। So studies, I feel hungry. He is a student. She comes from Baleshwar. So all is indicate present state or fact or permanent. Katak is on the Mahanadi. So permanent state. Okay, पिला माने बुझि पाइलो ए सब future action you see which is usually depends on the timetable of official timetable or any department timetable or calendar. Or in this case we use present simple. Suppose the Saraswati Puja falls on 28th January. Suppose. So this is unchangeable. That is a future plan or future action which is unchangeable. Okay. The Prime Minister visits America tomorrow. So this is a future, a planned action of a part of future time. Okay. So the HSC exemption begins in March. So this is based on official timetable. So in these cases we use present simple form. For a vivid narration, we also think the process of something, right? Breaks the eggs. Force on the pan. Force oil. Adds onion, etc. So this is the description of a process. So in this case we use present simple also. So then in running, in sports, in running commentary, present simple is also used. How? Suppose in running commentaries, of sports, for the bowler bowls a short pitch, the batsman hits it in the air, the fielder runs after it, but it crosses the boundary. The batsman gets 6 runs. So all these are happening at the time of speaking, you know. So in these cases we use present simple form. running commentaries of sports. Okay. So then for a permanent fact state action, you see, permanent action that permanently one does, that is, he usually goes to college by bus, but today he is going on a bike. So you see, students, a permanent action. He usually goes to college, so this is permanently. But today he is going on bike. So when it is done temporarily, we use present progressive in this case. But for a permanent action state, we use present simple. So then I beg your pardon. We propose him to be the captain. So this is present simple form. Okay. So in conditional clauses for future conditions, you see, for future conditions we also use present simple. That is, if he comes early, he will go with us. So present simple, but the time is future. For a future condition, or in each clauses, we use present simple for future action. If he comes early, he will go with us. So if he does not hurry, he will miss the bus or miss the train. So the present simple, if he does not hurry. So time future, but when we make condition for future action, we use present simple form. Okay. So friends, these are all the uses of present simple form, and I think you must have understood it